Hello students, welcome to Saurabh sir's classes. So for classes mock test study material, you may contact in the number given in the description. So let's solve one problem from CUET physics, atomic physics. So the problem states that what is the energy of an electron in the second orbit of an hydrogen atom. So we need to find the energy of an electron in the second orbit of a hydrogen atom, right? So from the formula we know that En equal to minus 13.6 into 1 by n square, right? So n equal to 2 here, right? So the problem can be rewritten, so the formula can be rewritten as minus 13.6 into 1 by 4, right? So we'll get around, the energy will be around minus 3.4 electron volt, right? E2 it will be. So the energy of an electron in the second orbit of a hydrogen atom is 3.4 eV. Hope the solution is clear. So thanks a lot.